Welcome to Bridge for Mac. It's a program designed for Mac computers to work with your Xperia handset, where you can use it to put music, videos, podcasts, and playlists on your Xperia device, and also manage and delete files, as well as transfer and import photos. So all you have to do to get this thing going is, because the Xperia devices are programmed to automatically download this when you connect it, all you have to do is connect your phone to a Mac computer and the download should begin. Once the program is downloaded, you can find the application on your desktop or in the applications menu. Just double click to bring up the interface and get started. If it's already installed, connecting the phone will just automatically launch the application and you're ready to go. So let's take a look at how easy it is to use Bridge for Mac. So you notice right away it's very easy to manage your media by browsing iTunes, browsing your iPhoto. You can import photos from your phone, and you can also view the files that are on the phone. First, we're going to show you how easy it is to sync your music across. So if you go into the music folder, you've got your music, you've got your movies that you have in iTunes, as well as your playlists. And then if I bring up iTunes, you'll see that my music, my videos, and my playlists are all the same on iTunes as what's showing up in Bridge for Mac. So what I do is, I thought I would just sync one of my playlists. So I'm just going to get playlists, I'm going to go down to the playlist I want, and then I'm just going to go down to the bottom right corner where it says sync, and the album will go straight onto my device. So if you use a Mac, you're probably using iPhoto, and as you know, you can make events, you have all of your photos, and you can also create albums. So what's really cool about Bridge for Mac is it's also set up to sync directly those albums, those events, or those photos. So if you open up Bridge for Mac, go under Photos section, I'm just going to take one of the albums I was just looking at. I think I'm going to choose golf photos. And then all I have to do is, it shows me it'll sync all 29, and again, I just click sync and they'll transfer onto my device. You can also do this for all your photos or your events, and you can select multiple ones at the same time, just so you're aware. Now if you don't use iPhoto, or maybe you have photos in a different picture folder on your computer, that's no sweat as well. You'll notice that under the Photos pull down menu on the left hand side, there's also a little tab there called My Folders. So you can go under that tab and actually just import photos from a other destination that may be somewhere saved on your Mac Finder. So just what I'm going to do is go into my Pictures folder, and I'm going to take a random photo from my miscellaneous album. So I've opened it up, I'll select the photo, and again, just click sync. So you've seen how we can use iTunes and use iPhoto. You can also use this to take photos that you've taken on your phone and put them back into iPhoto. So just select any photos that you've got. You can upload them to iPhoto, or you can choose any other folder. You can import the selected photos, or you can import all of them, and it's that simple. So I guess last but not least is how you can browse files on your Xperia device. So clicking on this folder will bring up the root menu folders for your handset, and it's basically like you're accessing your phone as an external hard drive. So what I'm doing here is, I'm just going into a Pictures folder, I'm dragging the picture from across, and I'm just going to drag the photo onto my desktop. Of course, I can do this the other way around as well. So let's say I wanted to take a document and actually transfer it across onto my phone, because I'm going to be plugging in my phone somewhere else later, and I just want to temporarily use my phone as a portable hard drive so that I'm able to take it with me wherever I go. So I just take the folder, go over to Bridge for Mac again, and drop it anywhere I want within the actual root menu. It'll transfer across, and then it's ready for me to access. You can put it into specific folders if you want to transfer movies across and have it show up in the movies folder of your phone, or your documents, or your downloads, for example. But it really is just that simple to use Bridge for Mac. If there's questions, just head over to sonymobile.com/support, where you can also go to download Bridge for Mac.